Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get started with PrizePicks. Alright, let's begin. First, grab your phone and open the PrizePicks app or website. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up. The registration process is straightforward. Just enter your email, create a password, and follow the prompts to complete your profile. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the interface. You will find various sports and games available for picking. Choose your preferred sport, whether it's basketball, football, or another option. Next, select the players you want to pick for your lineup. You can view player statistics and projections to help make informed decisions. After selecting your players, set your entry amount. This is the amount you are willing to wager on your picks. PrizePicks offers different types of contests, including flex plays and power plays. A flex play allows for more flexibility with your picks, but has lower payouts, while a power play offers higher payouts if all your picks are correct. So that's basically how you can get started with PrizePicks. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.